You know you're officially old when you walk into a tiny home and the first thing you notice is crown molding. That was me, standing in the Thicket by Rewild Homes, practically tearing up because the bathroom has more space than my buddy Kevin's entire apartment. And yes, this is a house on wheels, not a coastal boutique hotel for wealthy seagulls. Before we unpack whether this house can handle your ego and your air fryer, hit that subscribe button to CampAvto. We tour tiny homes so you don't buy one and realize too late that your open concept bathroom is also your dining room. Like the video too, unless you enjoy mystery stains and shared laundromats. All right, back to the Thicket. It's 34 feet long, 10.3 meters, built on a single level, and as wide as legally allowed without getting a permit, 8.5 feet, 2.6 meters. On the outside, it's rocking West Coast vibes with cedar cladding, metal accents, and enough aesthetic appeal to make your HOA suspicious. Price? Starts around $125,000 USD or 115,000 euros, but honestly, I've spent more on therapy that didn't come with a propane oven. Inside, it's like someone took a Pinterest board, went full Marie Kondo, and added appliances that actually work. The ground floor bedroom is private, with a queen bed, big windows, and storage cabinets that didn't come from a clearance sale. There's even a second exterior door, perfect for sneaking out when your date realizes you live in 270 square feet. The chef's kitchen is full-size and packed. Propane oven, farmhouse sink, full fridge, and overhead cabinets for days. Between the kitchen and the lounge, they squeezed in a real dining setup, a table with actual chairs, not stools, chairs, like grown-ups use. Now, let's talk about the bathroom, because I think I fell in love. It's centered between the bedroom and the main area, and it stretches the full width of the house. Frameless glass shower, wood vanity, stacked washer-dryer, and more rustic shelves than a hipster cafe. The white barn-style sliding door adds privacy, but let's be honest, you'll leave it open when no one's around, just to admire the layout. The lounge is cozy, thanks to tall windows, a snug couch, and a fireplace that doubles as a TV stand. I like the wood finishes the most, cedar ceilings and fir trim that scream eco-luxury without making you feel like you're camping in someone's sauna. So is the Thicket just another tiny home? Nope. It's a coastal cabin disguised as a trailer, a full-time home that doubles as a retreat, and the only mobile dwelling that made me consider selling my house and moving in with just my socks and a skillet. And hey, if you love what we do, sponsor the CampAvto channel for just $1. That's cheaper than Kevin's last breakup and way more rewarding. Links under the video, because trust me, reviewing houses with mood lighting doesn't pay for itself.